Why do so many car moonroofs stop working? It's more common than you think. Let's break down why your moonroof might be stuck. Moonroofs are great until they get stuck. The most common reason? A dead or weak battery. Your car needs plenty of power to move the glass, so if your battery's low, the moonroof might not budge. Another culprit? Dirt and debris in the moonroof tracks. Leaves, dust, or even old grease can jam the mechanism. If you hear grinding but don't see movement, that could be the issue. Sometimes the problem is electrical. A blown fuse or a bad switch can stop everything cold. Check your car's manual for the location of these parts. Replacing a fuse is usually easy, but if you're unsure, ask a pro. And let's not forget, moonroofs need regular care. Lubricate the tracks and keep them clean to help things run smoothly. If your moonroof is stuck open, cover the opening to keep out rain. And remember, don't force it closed. You could break something expensive. So if your moonroof won't move, check your battery, clear the tracks, and look at the fuses. Still stuck? It's time for a visit to your mechanic. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more simple car tips.